What is Bitcoin on Cash App? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss what exactly is Bitcoin on Cash App. Now, first of all, what is Bitcoin? Leave Cash App aside. What exactly is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that you can be using for trading. You can buy it at a low price when the Bitcoin value decreases and sell it. Cash App is only just a platform, and there are many platforms, not just Cash App. There is Binance, there is Trust Wallet. Cash App is just one of those platforms who offers you only Bitcoin trading. So it doesn't offer any of the other cryptocurrencies trading like other crypto apps do. Only Cash App, what they offer is they offer you stocks and Bitcoins. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can open up Cash App, come here, tap on Bitcoin option, and then you will be able to buy Bitcoin for a certain amount of dollars. Now currently the price per Bitcoin is $41,000 over here, right? So what happens is, if you're not sure, if you buy today for 41,000, you buy one Bitcoin. Tomorrow the value increases for $60,000. You can sell it for $60,000 and you'll still have $20,000 in profit. That is what Bitcoin is about. Now, I'm not saying tomorrow it will be that much, but I'm just giving you a basic idea. So you can buy Bitcoin for as little as $1. Let's see, for $100 you'll get 0.00 something amount of Bitcoin. So you'll be able to find it. But first, make sure you verify your account. You enter the payment details, buy it, and as soon as the value decreases, to view the value of Bitcoin, you'll be able to see many trading websites out there. You'll be able to see the Bitcoin value, and then you'll be able to trade them and ultimately get profit. And this is what Bitcoin on Cash App is about. Personally, if you're not a trader, then you don't really need to ever use this feature, but if you want to get into cryptocurrency, then this is a must thing for you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.